Well, even as the government has decided to go ahead with the JEE and the NEET exams in India, protests have erupted by students in some parts of the country. Well, right here in Bengaluru, you can see how the NSUI has in fact, begun sloganeering, and they've taken to a hunger strike, and they've said that, they are going to continue to protest till the time that the government decides to, actually go ahead with the postponement of the exams. Let's remember that, lakhs of students are going to be writing the JEE mains as well as the NEET exams, which is again a very crucial exam in the life of any student. It's not just in Bengaluru that we're seeing protests, but we're also seeing social media being stormed with students who are, of course, against the exams being held right now in the middle of the pandemic, actually going ahead to, cite health reasons as one of the main concerns. And let's also remember that Karnataka is a state where we've already seen exams being held in the past. We've seen how the SSLC or the Class 10 exams were held. We've also seen how the common entrance test was again held, wherein we saw several students, of course, in attendance. But at this point in time, it's imperative for us to remember that students, have actually been protesting for a while now almost. And let's actually go over and talk to one of the students over here and understand their concerns and understand, why it is really that they are demanding the postponement of these exams, not the cancellation, but just the mere furtherance of these exams. So why exactly is it that the students, want the exams to be postponed? Is there any reason for this? We've also seen how exams have already been conducted during the pandemic, other exams.
Why they have to cancel is because during the rapid cases rising every single day of COVID in this country as well as the city when concerned, but why they're still doing with the other exam is that's the ignorance of the state government as well as the national government, wherein they feel the good administration believes that conducting examination something means to them is a good administration, but when it comes to a people's perspective, it is absolutely a complete stupidity of the government. But what NSUI individually stands firm on its demand is that postponing of NEET and JEE is must and should with complete technicality, as there is a lot of mishap in their own SOPs. So we demand that furthermore, postponing the CET and JEE, NEET and JEE is nothing more loss to the government, except they're saving a lot of students' life as well as their families' life. So we strongly condemn the current update, and we strongly demand them to postpone the JEE and the NEET examination.
All right. Well, those are the voices of the students, a section of the students coming in from Karnataka who are actually demanding that the exams be furthered or be postponed. We've also seen how in many other states as well, students have come out in protest. But what of course will be the ultimate turnout for these exams, and whether a large number of the students would choose not to appear for this very crucial exam owing to the pandemic, remains to be seen.